Hey techists! Welcome back to Evergreen Tech Tips, your go-to channel for simplifying tech and boosting your online presence. Today, we're talking about a crucial step in website optimization: updating and submitting your latest sitemap in Google Search Console. Stick around, and I'll show you how it's done. First things first, what's a sitemap and why does it matter? A sitemap is a file that lists all the pages on your website, helping search engines understand your site's structure. By submitting a sitemap, you're making it easier for Google to crawl your site and index your pages. If you're adding or updating content, submitting the latest sitemap is key to getting it noticed faster. Step 1 is preparing your updated sitemap. Most website builders or CMS platforms like WordPress automatically generate a sitemap file when you add or edit content. If you're managing it manually, tools like Screaming Frog or online sitemap generators can help. Once you've updated your sitemap, save it as an XML file. Next, log into your Google Search Console account. If you haven't added your website to Search Console yet, make sure to verify ownership. It's a straightforward process that Google walks you through. In the Search Console dashboard, find the Sitemaps section. It's usually under the Index tab. This is where you'll manage all sitemap submissions for your website. Now, paste the URL of your updated sitemap into the box labeled Add a new sitemap. The URL usually looks something like this: yourwebsite.com/sitemap.xml. Hit Submit, and voila! Your latest sitemap is now with Google. But wait! Why is this so important? Updating and submitting your sitemap ensures search engines can find and index your new or updated pages faster, boosting your website's visibility and SEO performance. It's a simple yet powerful way to stay ahead of the game. That's it for today, folks. Updating and submitting your sitemap is one of the easiest ways to improve your website's performance and ranking. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to Evergreen Tech Tips, and share this video with your fellow webmasters. Stay optimized, stay awesome, and I'll catch you in the next video.